Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to join a Windows 10 computer to your Azure Active Directory. So let me just quickly open the settings and log on to console and take it from there. If you are already logged on to your Windows 10 computer, open up the settings, then click on Accounts. And then you see this option, Access Work or School. Click on here. Click on Connect. Take some time. You'll have to type in your email address. Type in your email address. You'll get to resources, connecting means you click on next. Okay, so when you click on this option and when you click on the Windows 8, then you will get an option to log on to your, if this my computer is already logged on, so you will have to just go on settings, click on accounts, click on Access Work or School, then you'll be click on Connect, and then you will enter your official email ID, or if the computer is already joined to Windows Azure 80, then you will not be able to join it again. Like my computer is already joined to the Windows Azure My Directories. So herein you will type your official or personal email address, and then it will ask you to log on to Azure using your user ID and password, and then you would be able to see your computer listed in the devices section on the Azure AD. Let me just log on to the portal and show you what I'm. This is my portal. I will do it. Enter a password. You will be logged in. Okay, you see I have two directories. One, I have the directory which is my default directory, and then I have one directory which is Discuss Cloud Computing. It is my B2B directory. So I will switch on to my default directory. Here it comes. And then you will click on Azure Active Directory. And when your computer would be joined to the Azure AD, you will see the devices sections, and your device will be listed here. So there are different aspects. You have hybrid Azure AD joined. You will have your one is Azure AD joined, one is hybrid Azure AD joined. So when you will come under devices, there. So you will see that in under the join type section. I'll let you know what is the different join type available in Azure AD in the next video, or maybe in the next to next video. So I hope this was helpful for you. I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like, and if you have any feedback, please comment on this video, and you can also comment in the topics on which you want me to make the new videos. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, have a good day. Bye-bye.